My name is Jordan CICORIA and I'm the president of AERIUM Analytics. We are the lead applicant and we're located in Calgary, Alberta. The problem we set out to solve is that high-risk industrial interactions between birds and humans are increasing, and the existing deterrent methods are expensive and ineffective, which is really putting people and wildlife at risk. AWDNRDS solves a problem by combining a revolutionary robotic falcon, RoBird, with automated detection and tracking tools we're developing. The system will identify, track, count, and report on birds entering industrial operations. Once identified as at risk, AERIUM's next generation RoBird will then be launched to deter birds away from dangerous areas. RoBird's resemblance to a bird of prey allows for the safe and humane deterrence of birds while increasing the safety of workers in charge of wildlife management. The name of the project is Automated Wildlife Detection Network and RoBird Deterrence System. This is a collaboration between AERIUM Analytics, Imperial Oil, and the University of Alberta, and the project's located in Calgary with testing in northern Alberta. RoBird is our flagship solution, and its significance in protecting wildlife is a key part of AERIUM's values. This project is important to us as it's a major step towards a goal of developing fully autonomous drone solutions. AWDNRDS directly benefits Canada by creating an advanced technology that can be exported to the world, developing highly skilled jobs, enhancing Canada's manufacturing and software development expertise, and advancing environmental stewardship and wildlife conservation efforts. AWDNRDS benefits the oil and gas industry by creating an active, safe, and humane solution to deter birds from high-risk locations such as tailings operations. This increases the safety of workers in charge of wildlife management by reducing exposure to hazards. Finally, I just wanted to say that RoBird is an effective wildlife deterrence tool currently in operation at airports and oil sands facilities. This project is the next phase in the evolution of RoBird, which is fundamentally transforming the world of wildlife management.